Hi guys, welcome back to Kristin's Ryan Vlogs. Yay! This is my second channel. I am so happy. I'm really happy because now I'm gonna vlog on here too. So I'm gonna vlog for this channel, actually all my channels, but mostly this channel and my main one. But yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna get my other channels attention also, so don't worry, especially me and my best friend channel too, so I'm gonna give that a channel attention also. So no channels that I make is gonna go. I had to do that. Okay, so I had this, yeah, okay, so I have to make sure this. Alright, my bad. I knew that I was gonna do that. I knew it. So anyways, I'm listening to Gals on Go right now, but I paused it so I could do this intro to Kristin Ryan Day. Today is Sunday, June 14th, and it's, oh my god, 4:55 p.m. That is crazy. Yeah, that's crazy right now. I don't even know. That's so crazy. Let's go crazy. Don't mind the floor. I need to pick it up. I need to sweep actually. But yeah, I'm going to so throughout the night, since it's gonna be nighttime, well, it is evening right now, but throughout the night, I'm going to be vlogging. So, the last time I talked to my sister was last week. Yeah, she's probably busy, doing nurse. I mean, why do I always have to call her? She could call me too. Like, what the hell? Make no sense to me. But typically, it's not. Woo! That's what it is. Oh my god. So yeah, this is gonna be my new favorite tripod. But when I go to Best Buy, I'm gonna get a new tripod. So yeah, and put it on. Oh my god, I can't wait. I love this microphone. Yeah, I really do. I love it. So, like I said, I kind of forgot what I was gonna say. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna finish listening to Gals on the Go, and I will talk to you guys in my next clip. Yeah.
Okay, I'll wait till the date and then.
Hi guys, update time. I have been watching Channel X's podcast. It's called what? It's called Bad Influence. But yeah, so I have a special video to put it on Kristin Ryan. But yeah, anyways, this is still for Kristin Ryan and everything. So I'm like really happy about that. So I had to fix my microphone. It's a little cricket. Okay. Everything is fixed. So I'm on. Well, I'm on. Oh. See, I'm watching her channel. I don't even know if people could see it. But, yeah. Anyways, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm tired. So, is everything okay? Excellent. And now I'm trying this regular camera on the LG. And pretty so far is so good. And yeah. Sorry, I'm on the front facing camera, so because that's where the mic is, and I'm gonna talk like this, and I don't like doing the back camera. I did it with the other one and I didn't like it. So anyways, how's everyone doing today? So this is gonna be the last of the vlog for tonight, and yeah, so I can finish watching Channel X's. God, and I'm 20 minutes into this video / podcast, whatever. You know, I'm gonna do a video podcast too, but I'm not sure if I want to do it tomorrow. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow because me and my friend has a podcast tomorrow. We're gonna do a podcast tomorrow. Well, yeah, I need to remind her that she always forget. So tomorrow's a podcast for us, and I don't know what we're gonna talk about. I think I know what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about these fucked up people in the world. These guys on dating apps. That's what we're gonna talk about. Sorry, the window's not even open because I'm cold and the thing is hot over there, and I'm watching that, so I'm just gonna have to do it like this, especially. Okay. So I'm look at this, look at my bone. What the fuck? Why does everybody say she's for the streets? Oh, she belongs to the streets. Like, no. If you want to be a hoe, okay? Don't let these niggas out here saying that, oh, you're a hoe, you're this and that. Don't let them. Be a hoe, okay? If you're single, be a hoe. And if you're not single, really, don't be a hoe. Don't be a hoe, dude. That is the advice I have for you guys. Do the fuck you want to do. You know, like, seriously, if he's like cheating on you and he's not doing right for you, or she's not doing right, do the fuck you want to do. That's all I have to say about that. Yeah, I'm going to end this vlog because I'm gonna do more things tomorrow, and we're gonna do the behind the scenes of the podcast, because yay, we're gonna do that. So anyways, I'm bored in the house, and I was bored in the house, and then I was bored in the motherfucking in the house, bored in the house, bored. I don't even know. Okay. Alright, bye. Okay, guys. I'm back. Yeah, okay. Oh my god. Why are you doing that? Alright. So, I'm gonna show you. What the hell? I was not prepared to vlog right now, but in there eating soup. I don't like soup. I ate some yesterday. but I'm having this since I already ate. But yeah. Are you kidding me? Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna get some ice cream, and I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog, because yeah, it's the last of it. I always say that. I always say talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog when I'm gonna vlog again. Like, hell. But anyways, this time I'm really best to talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog, and I have to edit a video, 2 videos. I gotta edit vlog, I gotta edit a video, and then I gotta edit intro for my Instagram. I mean for my Crystin Instagram YouTube channel, and yeah. So I gotta do, and then I gotta make a vlog for my collaboration with my friend. So then I gotta do a podcast tomorrow. So it's gonna be a busy Monday. So anyways, hi guys, update time. I knew I was gonna do this. I just knew I was gonna do this. Okay. I am vlogging again, but I got my headphones on right now, so it's going to be cool. Hey. Dang, it's getting dark. So this girl's like, why don't you come to Vegas? Like, no, because I was thinking of moving to Vegas anyways. I don't want to go to Vegas right now. Have you seen the news? No, thank you. So I'm here vlogging, busting trips over there. What the hell? I'm showing them the kitchen.
What?
I'm showing them the kitchen.
Ooh. We gotta eat.
You're not even on the camera. Calm down. Who's she talking to? Sit there. Oh, she finally called, huh? Okay, so I'm back. Alright. This time I'm actually gonna end this vlog for today, because I got a lot of things to do tomorrow and I'm gonna end this. So thanks for watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Hi guys. Alright, so I'm doing it with, I'm vlogging with my tablet. Like, what the fuck? So I just made a video for my makeup channel. Yes, I have a makeup channel, and I got a random video channel, and then the rest is just vlog channels. And then the other one is my collaboration with me and my best friend. So that's the other channel. So I have 3 channels. Okay, so I have 3 channels. That is 1 that's makeup, 2 random videos, and 3 collaboration. So, and the rest is vlog channels. Just like, you know, not behind the scenes, because, you know, well, behind the scenes of my life, so technically. So that's why I made a lot of vlog channels. Vlogging with my tablet as soon as I get a microphone. Woo-hoo. If I get that, I'm gonna get that Tuesday. Can't wait. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Woo! So, I was gonna go out there and do nothing. Well, not do nothing. I don't even know. So, I need to make a thumbnail for my makeup channel for the video. I'm going to edit in the morning. So I'm going to edit. Actually, I'm going to take a shower, do all my hygiene stuff, and then after that, put my clothes on. I'm going to do some makeup, put my makeup on, in my vlog. And then a lot of things to do. Yeah. Anyways. And so that is the rundown for tomorrow. And Tuesday, I don't even know. I don't know. I need to plan that out tomorrow. So, yeah. For the whole week, I need to plan out. So, we don't know when we're going to get out of lockdown. So, we're just praying it's going to be next month out of lockdown. So that way I could go back to work, make some money, and I could spend my money on some clothes and stuff. So, yeah. That way I could do that. So, anyways, I'm just glad I got everything I need. I got a new phone. I already put money on my phone. And I'm like, I am happy. My phone bill is paid. I'm just happy right now. I don't even know why I could do that. Oh, I'm watching Danielle Karen. Well, I was watching her, but then, you know how smartphones are? They're not really smart. But, you know how they are. Like, woo! Woo! Sorry. But this is too. Sorry, I'm having too much time with this. Why is it like that? They're so loose. I don't even know. Oh. I'm gonna stop this video right here. I was gonna say in this clip where I'm not. I'm just doing a rundown. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this. Oh, this is for Kristin's Instagram. Okay, this is for the Kristin Instagram channel. And yeah, I'm also taking a nap. So I see you guys tomorrow. In tomorrow's vlog, actually. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow too. I'm gonna vlog behind the scenes of the podcast and everything. So, bye.